Hey everyone, welcome to Katie's Keto Kitchen. In less than 15 minutes, you can have the most delicious pecan crusted salmon ever and make all of your keto dreams come true. Watch this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of Primal Kitchen mayonnaise, put it in a bowl. This is made with avocado oil, it's amazing. And then 2 tablespoons of really good, yummy, high-end Dijon mustard. And all you're gonna do is just mix those 2 things together till they're fully incorporated. And then over here, we have 4 fillets of Butcher Box Alaskan wild-caught salmon. Always make sure that your fish is not farm-raised. It always has to be wild-caught. That's one huge keto tip if I can give you any. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take our salmon and we're just gonna lightly coat the salmon with the Dijon mayonnaise mixture, and then all we're gonna do is just put it in the pecan. That's it. We're gonna top it with some salt and pepper, and we're gonna bake it in the oven for 425 degrees for about 10 minutes. That's it. So our salmon has been in the oven for about 10-12 minutes, and it is perfectly cooked and golden brown. So we're just gonna plate this beautiful piece of fish up. And I would probably serve this with a little bit of broccoli or asparagus with some butter on the side, pink salt and pepper, easy meal. It doesn't have to be complicated, people. Thank you for tuning in to Katie's Keto Kitchen, and until next time, wait for your next Ketogasm.